So we're going to insert an image, and let's go to the history of guitars. And I'm going to open that up, and I got this ugly page talking about the history of guitars. It's all fake content. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the sprocket. I'm going to edit the settings of this page. And so here is my my page, and I want to kind of spruce it up a little bit with a picture of a guitar. A couple of ways to do this. One, I'm going to put the cursor where I want it to go. And one, I could simply, if I have the image on my desktop already, I could just drag it right where I want it to go. And now it's huge. So if I want to resize it, I can click on it, click on the image, and I can resize it. Oops, I'm going to resize it to something a little bit more manageable. Let's say 200, and then I'll hit the tab, and it's going to resize everything. I'm going to click Save. And so there is my content with a guitar. Now, there's some formatting we can do, because you'll notice right now it's kind of, I don't know, it's just weird. So I'm going to click on the sprocket. I'm going to edit this page. If I click on the guitar and then click on the image button, I have some alignment choices. By the way, I really should describe this. I should call it guitar for our visually impaired students. All right, so now for alignment, I have some choices. If I align left, this is much like Google Docs and Microsoft Word. I get it aligned to the left, or I can edit and I can click on that guitar and click on the image icon, and I can align it to the right, and all of a sudden the guitar is now aligned to the right. So I have some choices, don't I, about how that guitar ends up on that screen and how it looks. So that was drag and drop, right? So I'm going to go back to the editing, and let's delete it. Maybe I don't want to drag and drop. Maybe I want to just upload it. So with the cursor where I want that image to go, I'm going to click the image button. I'm going to browse repositories and upload a file. So I'm going to upload, choose, and I'm going to find that guitar. It's somewhere. There it is. There's that guitar. And I'm going to click open. I can change some feature or settings if I wish. I'm going to choose upload. It says I already have an existing copy of guitar. Do I want to put up a new one and with a new name, or do I just want to overwrite the existing one? I can choose either way. It's probably going to work the same. I'm just going to choose overwrite. I'm going to name it or describe it for my visually impaired students, and I'm going to resize it to something more manageable. When I hit tab, it auto sizes everything. And let's align it to the right. So that's the two ways that you can get a picture into your page. One, simple drag and drop, or you can use that image button to browse your repository. And then if you want to do some editing of that image, you just click on the image, click on the image icon, and then I have a host of editing and formatting options available to me.